Smooth the waters. Understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and widely used English phrase, smooth the waters. This phrase is not just about the ocean or rivers, but it's a metaphor used in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in real-life scenarios. So, let's get started and smooth our way into learning. Smooth the waters is a metaphorical phrase. In literal terms, smoothing the waters would mean making the surface of the water calm and undisturbed. Metaphorically, it translates to making a situation less tense or problematic. When someone tries to smooth the waters, they are attempting to ease conflicts, reduce difficulties, or calm down a stressful situation. It's often used in social, professional, and personal contexts. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help us better grasp their meaning. The phrase, smooth the waters, likely has its roots in nautical or seafaring language. Sailors always preferred smooth seas for safe and easy navigation. Over time, this literal desire for calm waters at sea became a metaphor for seeking peace and resolution in challenging situations on land. Using smooth the waters in conversation can be quite versatile. Here are some examples. 1. In a business meeting, our client was upset with the delays, but our manager was able to smooth the waters with some assurances. 2. In family dynamics, whenever there's an argument at the family dinner, it's usually grandma who smooths the waters. 3. In personal relationships, after a misunderstanding, he brought her flowers to try and smooth the waters. In each case, the phrase is used to indicate making peace or resolving tensions. It's helpful to know similar phrases or synonyms. Some of these include calm down the situation, ease the tension, settle the dispute, pacify the conflict. Knowing these can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of similar contexts. Smooth the waters is a wonderful phrase that encapsulates the art of easing tensions and resolving conflicts. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident in using this phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and actions. So, the next time you find yourself in a rough situation, think about how you can smooth the waters. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!